Facebook gave me a bonus that if I earned $6,000 in earnings in 2 weeks, that I would get $1,764. And guess what? I just got it. This was the most intense 2 weeks of my life because I did not want to stop posting. I wanted to get that bonus because I have been given bonuses before that high and I was never able to achieve them. But this time I said, you know what? I'm doing it. I'm going to get it. And I'm going to share with you guys exactly what I did to get that bonus. I'm going to break down everything. The top 3 reels, the top posts, the top group posts. I'm going to share with you everything that I did so that hopefully one day you guys can get this bonus and also achieve it. My name is Erica. I'm a mom, I'm a content creator, and I'm sharing with you guys all my tips and tricks. Please like and subscribe my channel. It will help me so much. So I'm going to start with how much I posted. I posted 231 posts in 14 days. That's just about 16 to 17 posts a day, which is insane. Most people think you should post 1 or 2 times a day. No, that's not gonna help you grow on Facebook. By the way, for context, I started with about 500 followers last year and now I have 236,000. I think I'm about to hit 237,000 by the end of the night. You need to just post. Don't care what people think. Don't care what people say. Be annoying. Your followers might drop a little bit and then they'll gain. They'll go up and down, but you're gonna continue climbing as much as you post. I posted 105 reels, 98 photo posts. That's a post with a photo. 12 text posts, that's just text only. I shared 5 YouTube videos of mine. I've also shared 11 posts of others. And then I shared a lot of posts to groups. Not directly sharing groups, I go to the groups itself and I post something in there. I don't cross over my post to the group. I like to do it inside the groups. So on top of that, I must have commented like thousands of comments. I wish I can go back and count, but honestly, I tried and it was just way too much. I commented a lot. Like every single person that left me a comment, I tried to, but it's impossible. I probably get thousands and thousands of comments a day. So try to engage as much as possible, but I mean, there's just no way you can do it once you get to that level. I want to show you guys the top content that performed in these last 2 weeks so that hopefully you can get an idea of what works for me and then hopefully maybe do your own twist. All right, here is reel number 1.
Emma. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. Hi. Your best brother. It's your best brother. She got a mohawk. Is that her new haircut? She's mohawk, Emma.
We're taking her.
Guys,
What?
we're taking point.
You're taking her?
Yep. Goodbye.
Emma!
That was great. Reel number 2.
All right, Brentley. Let Daddy take her.
Okay.
Hey. Aww. What about mommy?
Does she love her brother or what?
Let's see if she cries with you.
Come here, baby girl. Come here, honey. Come here, mama.
Aww. How's that make you feel?
Terrible. Hey! Excuse me. If that's the case, don't ask for boobies. Excuse me. Don't ask for boobies now. Hey, don't ask for boobies now. Don't ask. Don't ask for boobies.
You thought? How did you like?
So cute. Okay, reel number 3.
Straight for the movies.
All right, now my top 2 photo posts. It's crazy because you never would have thought that these posts would do as good as they did, but it's just me sharing my thoughts on a favorite show of mine. So I love the show Tell Me Lies, and it's been every week, every Tuesday they have a new episode, and I just love to talk about it with other people since there's not many people I know that watch it. I join groups of people with similar likes, and I posted 2 posts on my actual page, and it blew up. Everybody loves this show, I guess, and here's my post. Post number 1. So this was actually my top performing photo style post during this bonus period. It reached about 1.47 million views on Facebook alone and over 874,000 viewers. What's really interesting about this one is that 100% of the reach came from non-followers. So this post was being pushed entirely outside of my audience. This is a really important lesson because this wasn't just passive reach, it was active discussion. This discussion style text post about a show theory that got people talking, and Facebook loves posts that create conversation and long comment threads. Post number 2. This was another top performing text post during the same period. It reached about 777,000 viewers and nearly 100,000 engagement, with 100% of the reach coming from non-followers. This is exactly why I always include discussion posts in my strategy, because simple text content that gets people talking could spread far beyond your audience and drive massive visibility without recording a video. And then I'm going to share with you guys my top group posts, just a few of them. Group post number 1. The first one was just a discussion post in a TV show group, literally me talking about how I couldn't stop thinking about the ending. It reached over 35,000 people inside that community and drove engagement and visibility outside of my audience. Group post number 2. And then the second one is totally different. This was in a realtor group. I shared a cute Popeye idea. Value content like this gets saved, shared, and followed because it's useful to a very specific niche. This one alone brought new followers directly from a group audience. And last, group post number 3. Last example is from a creator mom group. This one shows something totally different. It drove over 1,000 comments and really high engagement inside of that community. Posts like this build authority and trust within your niche. This is important for growth as much as reaches. So between discussion posts, value posts, and pure community posts, groups become a major visibility engine beyond your own page. So if you're trying to earn on Facebook and you're trying to get those bonuses, my biggest advice is consistency and post, and post some more. Honestly, people are gonna say, don't do that. No, post, because it obviously works. It works for me. I'm growing, gaining a lot more money than I ever have, which is insane. Last year, I made $43,000 from May to December on Facebook, and now I'm already at $14,000 for the beginning of the year, and February is not even done yet. So I'm hoping I'm gonna get $11,000 in February, which I'm laughing because I think it's crazy. I'm actually an RN, and I never made that much money as a nurse, and to make that much money and be able to stay home with my children, it's really a blessing, and I really think that a lot more moms can do this and grow and make money just like I am. It's honestly, if I could do it, so can you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It will really help my channel. It will help me grow. I need to get to those watch hours so I can get monetized on here. So thank you so much. I'll link my Facebook so you guys can check it out. I also coach on Facebook. I do audits and one-on-one sessions for people. I look at your page and tell you what I think you should do or what you shouldn't do, give you tips and tricks and more ideas, even give you content ideas. You can check that out. I'll link that in my description as well. Please, again, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.